First impressions matter. And for your guests, it begins with a single card. At PLASTEK, we manufacture high-quality hotel key cards trusted by major hotel brands, luxury resorts, and independent operators around the world. From advanced RFID key cards to traditional mag stripe options, every card we produce is built for reliability, security, and seamless access. We use only the most durable, long-lasting materials, so your cards perform better, last longer, and help reduce your overall costs. Want to elevate your brand experience? Our wood RFID key cards offer a unique, premium look with a variety of natural grains and finishes designed to leave a lasting impression. And we go beyond key cards. Our waterproof RFID wristbands are perfect for pools, resorts, and water activities, giving your guests convenience without compromise. Since 2005, PLASTEK has delivered trusted solutions to the hospitality industry with a focus on quality, innovation, and consistency. We do not just supply products, we partner with you every step of the way, from design to delivery. At PLASTEK, we do not just believe you will be satisfied, we guarantee it.